vol.2. Glass everywhere. People. Fast bitches, fast cars, money and fame. This rap shit is just like the 90s dope game. Before sold out shows, rockin' hoes jock, it was all about the hood and that 400 block. Few scraps and some puppy dog, you had to be down and roam that infamous neighborhood where niggas wore the crown. It was on every corner from Manchester to Century. BGs walking in packs to elementary. After school, some man took control to watch deals on the corner, while others had skills and hidden dreams. The hustle had to put days how we used to be. Four niggas made the transition from a jock to a G. Now the streets is nice, but the police is stickers. Niggas sticking more murders committed in the hall. But whatever happened, now it's the same for me. It's still ING for LIFE. So full of cheddar like a cheese pizza. Known for singing retard and wiggle wiggle videos. Just a little bit. Just that way. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I tell you, I can't relax, you know.
I'm a boss, they can watch and I'm coming correct. And what I want is a little respect. And if I don't get it, I'ma have to take it. And prove to y'all that I can make it all the way. And that's like, most of you took me like, put you on the check. And maybe they need to show me a little respect.
I tell you, I can't